as we are closing in to the Samsung Unpacked event, we are getting more and more leaks. We have already seen CAD renders to hands-on videos of dummy units, but this time around, we are now looking at a real-life image of the actual Galaxy Z Fold7 in a new color option. So let's dive into it. Hey lads, TechScanning here. So looking at the images, the first image shows the Z Fold7 laying inside the box. And you may have already spotted a noticeable change here. So if you are the one who doesn't like the black ring around the camera lenses on the Galaxy S25 Ultra, well, it's not here on the Z Fold7. The image gave us a glimpse of a bold deep blue finish which will possibly named blue shade. And while we are on design, the cover screen looks a bit wider compared to its predecessor thanks to a large 6.5 inches panel. Moving to the inner screen, which is covered by a protective sticker. Of course, it's a new unit. But going by the earlier leaks, the inner display is expected to be a massive 8.2 inches AMOLED panel. And it will now feature a normal punchole style camera. So no more low quality under display camera. Fortunately, an image also highlights one of the most exciting upgrades, the thinness of the Z Fold7, which Samsung is teasing about for a while now. And we can see Samsung has impressively trimmed it down, which is now set to be 8.9mm when folded and 4.2mm when unfolded. That's a noticeable improvement over their current top-notch Z Fold Special, which comes in at 10.6mm folded and 4.9mm unfolded. So this will make the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7 one of the most slimmest foldable phone. Here for reference, Honor has recently launched its Magic V5, which has roughly the same thickness as the Z Fold7. Now, if we talk about the cameras, the Galaxy Z Fold7 will get a whopping 200MP main camera. I would say a much needed upgrade finally here, most likely borrowed from the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. The other cameras are unlikely to change, so the same 12MP ultra wide and a 10MP telephoto. Now for the other major specs, there will be a Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy Edition paired with 12GB and 16GB of RAM. Battery wise, there will be no bump. They are keeping the same 4400mAh of battery capacity, which is a bit disappointing compared to the competition, which are now offering an impressive 6000mAh or even more. So for a bigger screen phone like Z Fold7, yeah, Samsung need to take care of this aspect. Anyway, the much hyped Samsung Unpacked event is around the corner, which will take place on July 9 in New York. By the way, if you want to check it out, what perks Samsung is offering for pre-reserving their upcoming devices, click here. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.